In today's video, we're washing a Tesla Cybertruck. We will be taking our mobile unit down to Cosmo Motors, an auto spa in Hickory, North Carolina, to give their one-of-a-kind Army Green Cybertruck a revamp wash. Now, this is gonna be my first time seeing one in the flesh, so I'm super excited to get my hands on this thing.
The gas pedal thing scares me.
I'm glad it does, because I'm over here. Oh. Look at that. Look at that mess. Look at that mess. Wow. That was almost effortless too, right?
On such a big car. So I'll roll into it a little bit, but I'm not gonna floor it.
That's pretty fresh.
Yeah. No, I'll tell you, man, the gas pedal thing scares me.
I'm glad it does, because I'm over here.
Until it gets fixed, yeah.
So guys, Kevin here at Cosmo's Auto Spa has actually got us set up with what we're gonna be doing today, and we're gonna actually be walking you through our mobile unit. Big shout out to Cosmo Motors. They're actually allowing us to come here and wash their Tesla Cybertruck. There's only 2 in the area, and this one is actually really wicked. We actually are gonna be showing you our mobile unit. So if you'll come with me, I'm gonna show you and tell you what's kind of went into our unit as we go. Now look, we do a lot of RVs, airplanes, grading equipment. Just depends on what the customer's wanting, right? So when you look, we actually bring our own water. So we have a 500-gallon tank. We have Hot Seas hot water pressure washer. Now, the hot water actually works off of diesel, and then you have the engine that works off of gas. We have our reels where we can actually fill up if we run out of water. We have 150 foot of hose reel for the pressure washer one, just in case, you know, we're in your driveway and you have a nice garage around the back or something and we can't go through the yard. So we try to think of everything for you so we can be as efficient and as safe and kind of come in stealth mode. You'll never know we're there and you won't know when we leave because it'll look just the same, right? Except the car. And there you have it, our first Tesla Cybertruck, and many more to come. Really appreciate you.
Buddy.
Yes, sir. Y'all guys have a good day. Well, guys, that's a wrap on today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. This Cybertruck is really an interesting vehicle. Initially, I wasn't a big fan of the looks, but all the flat and angular surfaces actually made it relatively easy to wash down considering its size. I want to give a huge thanks to Cosmo Motors for having us down. And always, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share. We have a lot of cool projects to come.